We all have this one client with the nails that nothing stays on. Tonight I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem with the Seal and Protect solution. We often see nails in a salon that are splitting, are thin, damaged from different reasons, from, for example, lifting the products or maybe wrong removal. And we don't want to use the normal regular prep with the filing because we don't want to damage these nails even more. But unfortunately, without the proper prep, we have the problem with adhesion. This one we can fix with Seal and Protect. Let's have a look at the application. We are going to start with the Prep and Wipe solution to dehydrate the nail plate and allow Seal and Protect to penetrate the dorsal layer of the nail plate. Prep and Wipe has no oils, colorant or fragrance in the composition. I'm spraying into the wipe, and with my thumb I'm perfectly cleaning my nail plate, making sure it's dust-free, oil-free and perfectly dehydrated. Now it's time for a Seal and Protect. The Seal and Protect is really liquidy. It's like a water. So it is important not to apply too much of the product and not to apply it with touching the skin. What I will do, I will roll my brush over the neck, remove the excess, then touch it with the dry wipe, and then I'm ready with my half-soaking brush to the application. I'm carefully starting from the middle of the nail with the rubbing motion, making sure I'm filling up all of the gaps, all of the splits, and do not touch the skin. You see, it was nothing on my brush, but I still have lots of product in. This one needs to be cured 1.5 minutes in a twin light. After Seal and Protect is cured in a lamp, now we need to remove the excess. I'm using the dry wipe, placing it first on the nail, let it slightly soak into the wipe, and now removing the excess. Use no other product, no cleanser, no dehydrator. Now our nail is primed and ready for application of the gel, gel polish, acrylic or polygel. Hope you like my video. See you next time.